Hey love, so today we're going to compare Boxycharm and Glossybox. I normally do these in two separate videos, but I thought it would be fun to put them into one because I know there are only a certain number of people that really do like unboxing videos still. So I figured I could just knock them both out in one video and save room for more content. So we are just going to jump in, but before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. Let's get into it. All right, so I have my Glossy Box and my Boxycharm right here. Both of these are $21 a month, so they are very good boxes to compare because they're the same price. They're both monthly. I haven't seen what's in my Glossy Box. I already filmed my Boxycharm unboxing, but I'm gonna refilm it because I decided I wanted to put them together. These are both the January boxes, so let's do this. I think we'll do Boxycharm first. So this is what the Boxycharm looks like per usual, $21 a month, 5 full-size products. Sometimes you get more than 5. I believe Glossy Box is exactly the same, but let's see what we got. The theme of this month's box is boxy and chill. This is so cute, and as always, it comes with a card telling you what's in the box and the value. I will add up the value of this box and the value of Glossy Box as well. So this is the first thing is, I think it's Rioja or Zarco milk. I don't even know. It's a leave-in conditioning spray. Let me show you the package because I don't know how to say that. But I am super excited for this. I have super damaged hair. My hair is doing pretty good right now. I just did an Olaplex treatment, but I also did my roots and toned it. But every time I use the toner that I use, it leaves it feeling much more conditioned. And Olaplex saves lives. So my hair is doing okay, but it does get quite dry on the end. So any sort of leave-in conditioner, I'm always excited to try. This one retails for $12. It just says restore your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine. It's infused with the signature blend of rosehip, argan, and coconut oils. It works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat, locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. So I'm all about all of that. So I'm excited for this guy. Next is, ooh, it's an Ofra liquid lip. Havana Nights. I think this is one of Kathleen Light's ones. Don't quote me. But this is what it looks like. This is the new packaging. It's so sleek and cute. I really love the formula of Ofra liquid lipsticks. I think they're really good. Let me swatch this guy for you. This color is so beautiful. Totally up my alley. I love berries. I love reds. I'm all about it. So this will be perfect for me. I love when I get lip colors that I'll actually use. And I'm doing a bunch of decluttering, so I will hold on to this one. I know, because I'm going to love that. Love it, love it, love it. I think these retail for $20. So this is pretty much the cost of the box right here in one lipstick. The next thing is a Tarte palette. This is the limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette, volume 3. This guy retails for $36. I will show you what it looks like. I remember I opened it and I was like, I'm never going to use that. Okay, it's a beautiful palette. I really like Tarte eyeshadows. I love the Tarte lip palette. Nothing against those at all. I just know myself and I know that I need a crease shade. I need more than one matte shade. I would much rather have all mattes and like one shimmer than all shimmers and one matte. So I am going to pass this along to a friend or donate it or throw it in a giveaway soon. I just don't want to taint it and swatch it. It's beautiful. Don't get me wrong. This looks absolutely gorgeous. It's just, I don't need makeup. So when I get something like this in a beauty box, I like to hold on to it for a giveaway or give it to a family member or friend because I know they will love it and enjoy it so much more than I will. Because I don't need it. But it's a beautiful palette. It's just not my type of palette. I don't know if you can use it to highlight your face. I'm sure you can. So that's really cool, but I don't need it. Very natural, glowy palette. And I like a lot of mattes on my eyes. So I'll hang on to this and pass it along. This next thing, ooh, I'm so excited for these. I love Tatcha, you guys. If I had enough money, like if I still had disposable income, I was just starting to get into Tatcha before I ended up going back to school. I feel like I would buy so much more, but I just like I can't justify it. I think the Essence is like the most expensive product I've ever bought. I think it was like $95 and I don't even really use it and I need to use it because I paid so much money for it. But anyway, long story short, I'm really excited. There are 2 of these in here. It says Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask. It's a 2-pack, retails for $24. I assume the 2-pack is $24. So each one's worth $12, which is crazy. I don't do a lot of sheet masks, but for Tatcha, I will. So I'm really excited to try these guys. I love the packaging. I love all of Tatcha's packaging. It's super cute. Rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. It's designed for maximum absorption. It's supposed to make your skin instantly dewy and hydrated. Anti-aging superfoods, lots of good things. So I'm excited to try these. I usually end up like gifting a lot of the face masks that I get in beauty boxes, but these For me, I'm excited. See, and then we have one more item in here. This is the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. This retails for $18. I was super excited to see this in here, but I remember when I swatched it, yeah, it's a little bit warm. So I'm not sure that I will be using this myself. Again, I'll probably pass it along to a friend with darker hair. If I had brown hair, I'd be super excited, but I'm clearly very blonde, silvery, ashy toned right now. So this is not going to be my jam right now. It's very warm. I mean, I could hang on to it, but honestly, I don't know when I'm going to go back to brown. I'm really feeling the blonde, and I will much more likely go to pink or something like that before I'll go back to brown anytime soon. It's just the shade is a little too warm and a little too dark for me, but it is a really great one. It looks really nice. It's got a spoolie. It's a full-size brow pencil. What did I say it retails for? 18 bucks. That's crazy. All right, so I feel like this is a really good, solid box. It's not, I feel like half of it is stuff that I personally won't use, but if I was a makeup beginner or if I wasn't a YouTuber who has an excess of makeup, I would be really excited about this box. I am really excited about the lipstick, the leave-in conditioner, and the face masks. I'm excited about all of those. Now I'm going to add up the retail value of this box. So we have $12 for the leave-in conditioner, $20 for the Opal lipstick, $36 for the eyeshadow palette, $24 for the Tarte face masks, and then $18 for the $1 Billion Brow. So that's $110 retail value, and then I'm going to minus $21 the cost of the box. So you're getting $89 additional value in this box. All right, now let's go on to Glossy Box. Okay, now we are going to go on to Glossy Box. This is what it looks like. It comes in a box like this. But then inside is this box. I really like the actual box. I think they're so cute. I'll pop this open. And these guys, the last 2 months have come with these little wine vouchers. Let me show you. $100 wine vouchers. So if you spend $160, you get $100 off. So you're getting $160 worth of wine for $60. I can math, I swear. I'm just gonna pass these along to a friend because I don't really drink a lot of wine. And then this has like a little code with it to get a free gift from Skin Store, receive a free beauty bag worth $140 with your first order. So that's cool that this comes with it. This guy in here tells you all about the products as well, so I'll be able to give you the price points. The packaging is always so cute. Look at this. I don't remember where I saw this at. I thought it was so cool. I think it was an Anthropology. So this is a sheet mask. This guy retails for $5 is all. So if I like it, that's great. It's the lemon slice mask sheet in lemon is what it says. So I'm assuming it's going to be lemon scented. It just says revolutionary in the concept of sheet mask. Each slice is infused with the nutrients and scent of the namesake fruit. More convenient and effective than using raw fruits and vegetables. Slices use eucalyptus trees' power to deliver intense yet gentle nourishment to your face and body. Cool. All the sheet masks. So that's cool. I am more excited about the Tarte ones than this lemon one, but I am still excited to try it because why not? So next we have a mini facial scrubber by Daily Concepts. This retails for $5. So far the price points on this one in this box this time are not as high as the Boxycharm. Given there are more products in here that I haven't gotten to yet, but looking at them, whoa. Okay, one of the products is like crazy expensive, and that's why one of the products in here is worth $120, and that's why it's paired with some much more affordable ones, probably to balance out the price of the box. So this one's definitely going to be worth more, even though most of the products in the Boxycharm one are worth more than in this box. But anyway, this guy retails for $5. It looks like it's just a travel size makeup remover exfoliating face scrubber. That's cool. I think it's kind of like a makeup eraser, but it's just like a little pad. So I'll definitely try this out and let you guys know. It's got a little pocket on it so you can like put your fingers in it, it looks like. So $5, that's cool. That's cool. So it says I'm supposed to get different gel in here, down here. I don't know, but I don't have it in here from what I can see, so we're just going to move on. That's weird. Let's see. This one is some beauty wipes by Zaya. Facial wipes. So I think they're just remove makeup and impurities with rose hip essential oil. So that's cool. These retail for $12. You get, it must be for, there's no way there's 9. This one has 10. The price point they put on here is $12 for 90 of them, but this must be a mini pack because you get 10. So I'm going to have to math that out. So really the value of this is only $1.33, which that kind of stinks. But I'm still excited to have these. I'll probably keep them down here because I am very stuck on my Equate makeup wipes. The exfoliating ones are my favorite to use on the daily, but I love having makeup wipes down here so I can wipe off my hands and stuff while I'm filming or to use while filming. So I'll keep these down here. So they're definitely a good thing to have. I'm excited to have them. This next thing is the super expensive item. This Retails for $120. $120. Avant, I think. What is this? Shea Butter, Hyaluronic, Vitamin B3, Seawater, Sweet Almond, Face and Eye and Night Cream. Wow. $120, you guys? Like for this size? Yeah. Yeah, 50 milliliters. 50 milliliters, that's crazy. Well, I'm excited to try this guy. That's expensive. I could never afford that right now. Let's pop it open. It smells really good. Shouldn't use too much because each little drop's probably worth 10 bucks. Oh, it smells really good. It smells more like a hand cream than a face cream, but I am definitely excited. I will definitely use this. It says an anti-aging moisturizer. The cream deeply nourishes and improves dullness for younger looking complexion. The powerful combination of hyaluronic acid, Maris Aqua, and vitamin B3 rejuvenates skin to prevent reverse signs of aging like crow's feet, wrinkles, and dark under eye circles. Complexion that will glow with radiance from within. So I hope that's true. I feel like the packaging should be a little fancier for $120, but that's just me. That's just me. But the last thing is a sleek highlighting palette. If you guys don't remember, obsessed. Obsessed. What was the one that everyone was obsessed with and I was obsessed with? The Sleek Solstice palette was like my jam. I need to bring that guy back out because I know I had a backup. I don't know if I ever got to the backup, but girl, that was the most beautiful metallic glow. Before Strobe Glow from ColourPop, that's what I was like completely obsessed with. I really like Sleek products. I don't have a ton. Sleek is kind of newer. Oops, drop the plastic. Newer to the US. I believe you can get Sleek on Ulta now. So it looks like 3 creams. Looks like you get 3 cream highlights and 2 powder ones. So let's swatch this guy. I don't often use creams, but ooh. Okay, so the 3 creams, I just swatched them. You can see them right there. There's the pink one, the blue one, and the green one. Sorry to flip you off. So I'll let you look at those and then I will swatch the powder ones. These are really nice. They do blend in the skin really well. I will use, if I do use them, I use my beauty sponge and kind of tap in, or I go in with my fingertip and tap it on and then tap it out with my beauty sponge. Let me see these powder ones. It's usually the powder ones that I'm like obsessed with. These are really pretty. This gold one's definitely too dark for me, I think, but I can definitely use this pink one. So down here, let me try and pack that on a little more. I don't think I like this one as much as the Solstice one, just because the Solstice one is like more universal and this one's a very colorful one. Clearly it does have a mirror, which is nice. I'll definitely give it a go. I just don't often reach for colorful highlights, but I do usually really enjoy sleek highlights, so I am excited to try this. This guy retails for $14.99. Not bad at all. So let me try and add this up. This is going to be a little more confusing. So I figured out the makeup wipes were worth $1.33. So I'm going to add the highlighter palette, which is $14.99. Sheet mask, which is $5. The scrubber, which is $5. I didn't get the different gel, which is fine. That would have been worth $13.99 had I got it in the box. Since I didn't get it, I'm not going to add it in because I don't think that's fair. And then the face cream is $120. So that gives you $146.32. Technically, I'm going to minus the $21 for the cost of the box. So this does have a higher additional value, but again, you just have to kind of weigh out. If you're not into the face cream, then you're not going to be that excited because I think, was it Boxycharm had $89 additional product. This one's got $125 additional product. I mean, that's cool. It's all completely up to you on what you like. I have really been enjoying Glossy Box because there are different brands in Glossy Box than I have seen usually in Boxycharm. So I am really enjoying Glossy Box. I haven't decided yet. I have one more box. A friend gifted me a 3-box subscription, so I'll keep you guys posted. If you guys enjoyed this kind of comparison, let me know and I will do it again for you next month. And also let me know down below, which one do you prefer, Boxycharm or Glossy Box? I would love to know. I feel like it just depends. I'm really excited about that face cream. I feel like this one was much more like skincare oriented. So it's just what you're looking for is what you're going to probably enjoy. But yeah, I think that's everything. I'm going to stop rambling. I love you guys so much. Please let me know if you did enjoy this video. Thumbs it up. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and I will talk to you soon. Bye. So the first thing in here is a palette. Oh, that's not the first thing. Slice sheet mask. So slice matte, what? Revolutioning the what am I even saying? I see something listed that I don't see in the box. That's why I'm making that face. I don't see different gel with rose heat. The gold one. I don't know what is it called. Solstice. The Sleek Solstice Palace. Palace. I just realized I'm still wearing my friendship bracelets. Hey, Courtney, hey. What? I love you guys.